Understanding deadlines for prior year tax returns.
Hello, viewers. Today we are going to discuss an important topic, the deadline for filing prior year tax returns. Managing your taxes is a crucial part of personal and business finance, and understanding these deadlines is key to avoiding penalties or potential issues with the IRS.
What is a prior year tax return?
A prior year tax return refers to tax returns from any year prior to the current tax year. For instance, in 2023, a 2022 tax return would be considered a prior year tax return. It's common for individuals or businesses to need to file these for a variety of reasons such as discrepancies, audits, or simply late filing.
What is the deadline for filing prior year tax returns?
The IRS recommends that you file your prior year tax returns as soon as possible. Ideally, you should file your tax return by the standard filing deadline of the next year, which is typically April 15th. However, if you miss this deadline, don't panic. You can still file a late return. It's important to note that the IRS maintains a 3-year window from the original deadline for claiming any refund owed. After 3 years, any refund checks are typically forfeited. For example, for the tax year 2020, the deadline to claim a refund would be April 15, 2024. Remember, while it's possible to file late tax returns, you may be subject to penalties and interest on any taxes owed, so it's best to file as soon as possible.
How can I file a prior year tax return?
To file a prior year tax return, you'll need to obtain the correct forms for the specific tax year you're filing for. This is because tax laws and forms can change from year to year. These forms can be found on the IRS's website or through a tax professional. Once you've filled out your forms, you can mail them to the IRS. Electronic filing is usually not available for prior year returns. Always double-check your work and make sure you've included any required supporting documentation to avoid further delays or issues. That wraps up our discussion on the deadlines for filing prior year tax returns. Remember, the key takeaway here is, file as soon as you can. While the IRS does allow late filings, doing so promptly helps avoid potential penalties and ensures you receive any refunds owed within the 3-year window. We hope this video was informative and useful. Stay tuned for more helpful tax and financial advice. Thanks for watching.